Get ready for the ultimate RV experience. Hundreds and hundreds of RVs available, all on sale for this open house event. We got diesel pusher Class A's. We got diesel powered Super C's. We got gas powered Class C's. We got gas powered Class A's. Don't miss out on our special sales pricing on all new and pre-owned units. Hundreds of units on display, free snacks, great giveaways, like I'm giving away a brand new big Yeti cooler at all 3 of our locations. We also have special pricing on our advanced EV golf carts. All right, folks, I'm excited, don't worry. This Thursday through Sunday only. Don't miss this sale. Visit us online at GiantRecreationWorld.com. Pick out your unit and come see it in person.